Forex trading in the digital age, leveraging technology for success.
Today we're gonna talk about Forex trading in the digital age, leveraging technologies for success. Stefano, can you please give us an introduction about your career, your history, your company?
Yes, hello everyone. My name is Stefano Sordini. I'm CEO and founder of NetShop ISP. NetShop is a global hosting provider focusing on fast-paced industries such as iGaming, Forex, FinTech, and e-commerce. And I'd love to join you today, guys, for the nice, hopefully, discussion.
You're welcome. Nicolas, would you go, please?
Yes, thank you very much. My name is Nicolas Shamtanis. I'm CEO of Netrios, a Red Acre Group company. I started my career in 2007, considered like a dinosaur in Forex. But now I'm very happy to have joined a very futuristic, forward-looking company, which is Netrios, and I'm happy to be here as well.
Thank you, Nicolas. And Michael, please.
Yes, thank you. My name is Michael. I'm from MatchTrade Technologies. We are a technology and liquidity provider for the FX industry for the past 10 years. And today I'm going to be representing Match to Pay, our crypto gateway product. Thank you, Andreas.
Thank you, Michael. So, Stefano, how do cloud-based solutions benefit a Forex broker operation compared to a normal data center and in-house?
Yes. First of all, Andreas, let me define the term cloud, because cloud in Forex may still scare people out. So when we're talking about cloud-based solutions, we are talking about software which one can easily plug or integrate within the existing infrastructure or platform. So back, let's say 15 years ago, companies who would need KYC, AML solutions, risk management, IB affiliate software and CRM, either they would have to develop their own or outsource it for a high cost. So what cloud brought in this industry, in the financial services industry, is that brokers can focus on their core business and they can reduce the time of product launch, reduce the costs, and simply with all the products that are out there, they can simply pick one that matches their needs, fits their budget, and simply go up and running in literally days.
Okay, so you basically make their life easier.
Exactly.
Great. Nicolas, how do you see the use of AI, a very hot topic right now, being used in trading platforms, brokers in the near future, not the very far future, as many people promise?
That's a very good question. It's something that definitely we as a group are looking into very much. I can tell you what is happening right now, for example. I mean, as we know, the majority of the trading volumes in the industry are caused by high-frequency trading. For example, expert advisors. I see what is happening, and what we are doing right now in one of our companies is that we're developing the ability for people who might not have, let's say, programming skills to be able to use technology that already exists, for example, ChatGPT. So we can integrate this tool in our trading platform, which we are developing right now at TradeLocker, and you can just type in exactly what you want this, let's say, robot to do. You instruct it by saying, okay, when the price of gold reaches this, or when a technical indicator passes a certain point, then do this for me. So what we are doing, for example, is we are enabling average programming skilled people to input this into the trading platform. Then it creates a Python script. We can drag and drop it onto the charts, and then voila, it starts trading on your behalf. So that's one easy way that AI, for example, can disrupt the existing technology. But there's many other ways. For example, AI can be used also in customer support answers. So we all know that in order to, if you want to scale, you need to hire hundreds of people to eventually support your clients. But you can also do the same and better job by, let's say, integrating AI into your answers. The system can get smarter, it can answer questions faster. You can also use AI, for example, in sales. we came across a company that actually we didn't realize that we were talking with not a real human. And there is also the ability to use AI to monitor all the scripts that your salespeople are saying. There's so much use that I think we just scratched the surface, but I think definitely in the next years, it's something that is going to take more and more center stage. And that's something that we at Netrios and 𝐒𝐿𝐴 are doing right now.
Thank you, Nicolas. Very interesting. Michael.
That's a cloud-based solution. Yeah, I mean, that's one, you know.
Yeah, you can collaborate on those.
Give me your card.
So, Michael, what is the importance of picking the right system from a broker's perspective and from a retail trader's perspective, which are two different things?
Interesting question. I would say, actually, if we follow the theme of what my colleague just mentioned, it's innovation. So picking a tech provider that's also innovative as well as stable and has that customer success orientation, it's key. As you're growing as a broker, you're going to have to rely heavily on your technology. At the end of the day, that's the front-facing aspect of the clients. That's what the clients see first, is your tech, your systems, how stable they are. And I think that correlates with both from the broker's perspective. They need to focus on finding the right tech provider that's also innovative and will also be there in times of need for the broker to make sure they're ahead of the competition. We do know that it's a very saturated market. So having that competitive edge by choosing the right provider is critical. And that goes back to the retail perspective as well. The retail traders, they have so many options out there from different copy trading systems, different AI tools, different like ChatGPT that's growing. There's so many new programs that's being developed. And that's why it really is important who is your tech provider from a retail perspective and a broker perspective. Those are your end users.
Thank you very much, Michael. Stefano, how technology advancements help Forex brokers reduce their operating cost and offer a better product to their traders?
Well, in terms of better product, that's something that will come down the line. But as a technology and a technical person, what comes to my mind is the disaster recovery solutions. So if we have brokers here with us today, they will admit, if they admit that they never experienced an outage, that would be a lie. So back then, when a broker had an outage, either because of a misconfigured plugin or because of a network disruption, it would take them, let's say, a couple of hours to be up and running.
Or days.
Or days, yes. But even a couple of hours in an industry that every millisecond counts, even 2 hours is huge time. So what the IT industry brought into the financial services nowadays is disaster recovery solutions, which combined with robust and well-defined business continuity plan, brokers can actually have a recovery time objective of, I wouldn't say seconds, but they could minimize a few hours with a few minutes. So less outage means less complaints, less reimbursement fees to the traders. So obviously better product, more reliable product for the traders. I believe that's one of the key advantages that the tech sector brought into the finance.
Thank you, Stefano. Very interesting. Nicolas, how did technology evolve since you joined the industry back in the old ages?
Well, I didn't join it that far ago. It was 2007. Yeah, it's considered quite a long time ago. I mean, we all know how trading started in the trading pits when people would be shouting to buy, 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 sell, sell, sell. I joined at the time where people used to call us in order to place orders. I mean, I fell victim of one silly mistake myself. I had a client call me and say, I want to, what is the price of, let's say, €1 million? I quoted him the price and he said, okay, buy. And then I said, okay, buy, and I hung up the phone. But he just said, buy for me, basically. I thought he said bye-bye. Anyway, ever since then, we all know how trading is conducted right now. It's done through phones. Everybody has, you know, the speed of execution is huge. I think the better question is like, okay, how this technology that is now at hands of every trader, how can basically a broker, or how does the competitive advantage of brokers evolve through all these years? When we started, or when the Forex market started being offered online to the retail traders, I remember prices of euro-dollar being 10 pips, and as more and more competition came in, now price is no longer something that you can compete on. Everybody is offering more or less the same pricing, the same platforms, the same conditions. So I think the key here, and the competitive advantage that brokers can get in the future, is, like Michael just said, innovation. So you need to stay ahead of the curve. You need to constantly try to innovate, constantly try to put yourself in your client's shoes, how to make the life easier for the end trader, the brokers, and generally the industry.